We're seeing what Duracoat does now. Oh, it's quite nice.
Oh, ain't that kind of slick?
You see?
What logo is that?
The cross rifles.
I thought you were going to put that.
He had to have something off work.
Oh.
Here, you sit.
Okay.
I can see the
Like
camera.
this,
Okay.
and stuff like that.
It's a laser beam that's marking that gun.
Oh my god, that looks good.
And this is through Duracoat.
Yeah, the fumes are awesome, man.
It smells like victory, doesn't it?
Maybe
Everybody
early weekend.
Like I'll get here sometimes early, like at 4:30. I'll do my Duracoat.
Yeah, I don't want to catch you with a hood.
You can see all that.
But only in its liquid form.
Yeah, it has very low odor. It's actually really good stuff.
Oh, so it's not very...
Oh wow, the smell is.
I've been using it for 9 years.
That's a lot more potent than an anodized metal.
Premature baldness?
I've been working on that a long time ago.
Mine wasn't premature, it was just, I'm ahead of schedule.
He hates to wait on things.
It's good that baldness is beautiful.
Started losing it at 24, and I think what's funny is my current wife was very, very picky about it. Like, no, I don't want you to shave or anything. Finally, I said, no, honey, I said, do it with a zero one day. Did it with a zero, and like 2 days later, I shaved it. She's like, oh, I like it.
You know, the way I look at it, I was born without any.
Now we're experimenting with the new laser engraver.
I'm beyond chasing.
Putting in the first design to see how it works. We're using a Duracoat
Yeah, because it's already started.
on anodized receiver.
Too, my barber.
Let's see how that came out.
Colors.
Let's see.
Well, that come out
gold. Oh,
That is
wow.
slick.
That's
Needs
nice.
to be up just a hair, but it's okay. It looks good. Wow. I was
Fantastic.
surprised it come out that gold.
So Chris, what do you think?
Yeah, let me see what it feels like.
Loving it.